color, but I will tell you right now, I've received mine.
You did?
Probably received yours. Yes, indeed. This was a today's special value just not that long ago in September. Do you know out of how many colors did we have that day?
I believe we had 18.
Out of 18 colors, only one remains. And it's not long for this world. So if you want it or you want to give it as a gift, you need to order today. Just letting you know. It's $62.98, 3 payments of $20.99, and look at all the pieces that you get.
So this was a throwback and nostalgic set that we recreated, updated the upswept handles, gave you great capacity, your 3-quart, nesting down inside your 2-quart. Then we're going to tuck in your 1-quart. Then Mary Beth, the bowls, which are usually a separate purchase, we included that, your 2-quart. We included your 1-quart. And then the platter, which is also usually a separate purchase, is also included. So all 6 pieces, everything nests down perfectly, and it's all that same great stoneware. So prepping in here, cooking in here, serving in here, storing in here. Look at all the things we did just with one set. It's literally like table in a box. You open it up and you have a baker for your salad, you have your bread rolls, you have your dessert, you have your side dishes, and in the oven, I'm sure I had something fabulous I was supposed to bring out. A turkey. A turkey.
Oh my goodness.
On a platter.
I knew something.
We'll get to it.
Good.
It smells so good.
Oh my gosh.
We'll show you later.
Amazing. Okay. And by the way, there was a 9 by 13 4-quart baker
companion piece. Yes.
I don't know if that's still available, but if not, then forget that I said it. But if it is available, go get them because truly. I got one of those to go with my set, and I'm so glad I did. All right, we have more. And actually, I'm very interested in these.